Welcome back to Product Critique, where we help you find the best products for your everyday needs. Today, we're talking about the Energizer 2032 3V lithium coin batteries, which is the best Apple Tag battery replacement you can get. If you're tired of replacing your AirTag batteries constantly or need a reliable power source for key fobs, toys, health monitors, or even remote controls, then these are the perfect choice for you. The Energizer 2032 batteries come in a pack of 10, giving you ample supply to keep all your devices running for a long time. They're designed to work in extreme temperatures, from as low as -22 degrees Fahrenheit to as high as 140 degrees Fahrenheit, making them perfect for both indoor and outdoor devices. These batteries have a long shelf life and can hold their charge for up to 10 years in storage. So even if you don't need them right away, you can be confident they'll be ready when you do. What makes these batteries stand out is their versatility. Whether you're replacing the battery in your Apple AirTag or other CR2032 compatible devices like fitness trackers, key fobs, or even medical devices, these Energizer batteries are up for the task. Their reliability is backed by Energizer's reputation, ensuring you won't run into issues with sudden power loss or malfunction. They're child-resistant too, as they come enclosed in a special packaging that keeps kids safe from accidental ingestion. Another feature worth mentioning is their performance over time. These lithium coin batteries are built to last. Whether it's powering your devices through harsh weather conditions, or just providing steady performance over months and years, you won't need to worry about constantly swapping them out. With up to a decade of shelf life, you can store them for future use without any concern. In terms of value, you're getting a solid deal. The pack of 10 ensures that you're well stocked for all your devices. Whether you're replacing a few batteries at once or simply keeping extras on hand for when you need them, this makes it a cost-effective solution for long-term use. So, if you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting battery that can power your Apple AirTag, key fobs, or any other CR2032 compatible device, the Energizer 2032 lithium coin batteries are a fantastic choice. Don't forget to check them out for the best value and performance. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next review. See you next time.